Welcome on our channel QHSE. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel. If you are our existing subscribers, please watch the video from start up to the end so that you understand the concepts and terminology used in the training. So in this video, we will discuss what is HIRA and how we will conduct the HIRA, and apart from this, in the last we will have the conclusion. Do you know most workplace accidents can be prevented by spotting hazard before they happen? Today we are going to cover hazard identification and risk assessment in just a few minutes. What is hazard identification? Hazard identification is the process of finding anything that could potentially cause harm in the workplace. There are different types of hazards. Let's describe different types of hazards. Physical hazards from machinery, noise, temperature, etc. Chemical hazards that we have from the acids, solvents, fumes, etc. Biological hazards that we have from viruses, bacteria, fungi, and fallen grain. Ergonomic for posture, repetitive task. Physio-social stress, bullying. Then work organization hazard, the environment of the organization. In some organization there is toxic environment, but in some organization they have maintained very good environment, and people want to work in this environment more and more years. So these are the hazards. Chemical, dust hazards, cleaning products, pesticides, asbestosis. Ergonomic hazard, repetitive lifting, awkward posture. Physical hazards like noise, temperature, extreme radiation. Work organization hazards, things that cause stress, means workload, target to achieve. Then biological hazards like mold, insect, pest, communicable disease, etc. Safety hazards like slip, trip and fall, faulty equipment, etc. What is risk assessment? In our daily life, when we are doing any type of work, we are doing actually the risk assessment. So in our common life, we are doing this in a day several times. So risk assessment is very common. Now we are taking what are the steps. Step number first, identify the hazard. What are the hazards? Second, decide who might be harmed and how, means the workplace, the employees engaged in workplace activities will be harmed, the visitors, contractors, and the nearby organization whose employees will be harmed. Step number 3, evaluate the risk and decide on precautions. Step number 4, record your findings and implement them. Fifth number, and the last, review your assessment and update if necessary, if required. Whom to conduct HIRA? Who will conduct the hazard analysis and risk assessment? Step number 1, walk through an observation, inspect the workplace. This is the first. Then step 2, consult workers. They know the hazards because they are working in the workplace, so they know better. Step number 3, review records, past accident, near miss, for the lesson learned. Step number 4, use tools like checklists, risk matrix, software. Examples in a factory, slippery floor, high risk. Then fix it, immediately, low risk clutter, low risk clutter, monitor and clean weekly. Now, control measures, elimination, substitution, engineering control in isolation, administrative control means training, supervision. Then personal protective equipment is the last option. In this we have different, in this table, we are describing that low risk 1 to 3 the rating is, then moderate 4 to 6, then high 8 to 4, extreme risk. When there is extreme risk, we will dismiss the activity. We will stop work, stop activity. High risk, then supervision is required. Tight supervision will be there. For moderate risk, also supervision will be there. For the high risk, training will be there and supervision. For moderate risk, supervision is required. Low risk, no need, no immediate action. But it's better to also make this too much low. Now conclusion. Recap: hazard identification plus risk assessment, safer workplace. Key tips: always review and update your risk assessment regularly. Call to action: if you want more HSE tips, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Now, when we are talking about the risk assessment, we have other video, and the link is given in the comment section. So if you want to learn more, you also have to watch this video. Thank you very much, and we'll see you with the next video.